It's amazing how it lasts so long in the mouth. But I personally don't care about the filling, how well the filling does. I care about how the patient's doing and how the tooth is doing. So yes, this filling, for example, here is doing fine, but at what expense? At the expense of the tooth, right? You see it has microfractures, it's leaking, this area looks gray. Sometimes it results in fractures of the teeth. So it's not the greatest material. We can do a lot better, and we have other alternatives. Periodontitis is a fancy term for gum disease that involves bone loss. So you've heard of gingivitis, which is just puffy gums. That's okay, that's reversible, but once you allow it to progress, you have gum disease that turns into bone loss, and that is not reversible. You really need to go in there and do something to help that situation. Halitosis is a fancy term for bad breath. So as you can imagine, there's an imbalance in the bacteria and the biome that can result to that. Sometimes it's medications. Sometimes, like Jose was mentioning, it's dehydration of the mouth. I definitely second what he's saying. You should take little sips of water throughout the whole course of the day and rehydrate for your whole body, but definitely for your mouth. A lot of people are walking around with missing teeth, right? That's not normal, right? I mean, nature, God gave us 32 teeth. And under normal circumstances, all those 32 teeth should be in the mouth, upright, with perfect alignment, so you can eat properly. But a lot of times we have issues where wisdom teeth are coming in crooked. Well, it has a lot to do with diet and how we're not stimulating the muscles properly. We don't have a functional diet. Everything's pureed or soft or processed. And kids these days, everything's kind of like so chewed up for them, so to speak. So they're not really exercising their tongue and their muscles. So they do have crowding. Crowding is an issue as well. You see it on the bottom here, misaligned teeth. That's not a natural thing. How many times do you see animals in the wild, like tigers with braces?